In this video, we will show you how to make a Roblox game very easily. So let us get to it. If you want to create a game on Roblox, you will have to use a tool called Roblox Studio. For this, you will have to install its application on your computer. Simply open your computer browser and type Roblox Studio. Now, we will go to the first result where we have the Roblox Studio installer. Once we are inside the site, we will have to scroll down until we find the button that says Download Studio. When we have the installer downloaded, we will run it and install it like a normal program on our computer. Then we will run it and a window with this program will open. Here is where the most interesting things start to happen. If you do not have much experience creating a game, what we recommend most is using a template. You can find these templates in the left section where it says templates. What this will do is show us a series of pre-formatted worlds, characters, and situations which we can use as a base to create our game. You will have to choose if you want to create flat terrain, if you want to create a platformer, if you want to create an FPS system, or if you want to create a racing game, a village, a castle, or a modern city. Here you have different options to choose from. So let us suppose we want to create a modern city. We click on this option. Here we already have a large part of the work done in advance. At this point, as you can see by using a template, we have a large part of the city already designed. To move around within this template, we will have to use the arrows on our keyboard. As you can see, we can move to the right, to the left, up or down, depending on what we want to do. After this, what we have to do is modify each of the elements we have within our city. In this case, if you look closely, you can choose each of the elements of your city, from the trees, the streets, sidewalks, facades, and everything you can think of. Once you choose an element, you can then start moving it wherever you want. You can place it on the avenue, you can place it on the sidewalk, and if you notice, Roblox Studio simulates physics very well. If we place this trash can right between the sidewalk and the street, it will tilt just as it would in real life. So you will have a lot of freedom to choose what you want to move, what you want to change. In this case, in the left section, you also have different categories of objects that you can add to your city. We have different models, plugins, audios, fonts, but the most important are the categories. For example, if you want to choose a vehicle to add to your city, you simply choose there and select the vehicle you want to place. Once you select it, we press OK so that the files download, and here we have our vehicle. We can simply move with the arrows on our keyboard and place the vehicle right where we want it. We can also change different elements of this vehicle. Once we have placed the vehicle in the place where we want it, we can select it, and by using these arrows that allow us to rotate or turn, we can recalculate its inclination and its position. We can even do things that might seem a bit strange to be able to make a totally personalized world. The important thing is that we can create a world that is truly entertaining and that everyone can like. Like this, with each of the elements, we can customize our city just the way we want. We can change the facades of the buildings, and if you notice when you select an element, in the object bar here on the right, we have a plus symbol which we can unfold. Here we can add other elements that appear in the drop-down menu, and we also have different tools that will allow us to continue customizing our world or our city. Remember that depending on the template you have used and the category of game you want to create, you will have different tools. If we want to add other types of elements, we will then have to go to this section again and type what we want to add to our world so that it looks much better. If, for example, we want to add a fountain, we type fountain, and here appear all the available fountains that we can use within the game. We will simply have to choose it and place it in the place we want. With the right click of our mouse, we can move up, down, and to the sides more easily. And with the mouse wheel, we can zoom out and zoom in to our liking. So we will have to arm ourselves with patience and a lot of creativity so that we can create experiences within Roblox, and the limit is your imagination. Here you have a very basic idea of everything you can achieve thanks to Roblox Studio. But the most important thing is the creativity that you can imprint on your worlds and your custom Roblox games. And this is where our video for this opportunity ends. We hope it has been useful for you. If it was, leave us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos we will bring for you. Until next time,